From the Philippines. From the Philippines. From the Philippines. Filipino All-Stars.
Alright, what's up guys? This is Maya Karandang and welcome to My Life with the Philippine All-Stars. So alright guys, welcome to second episode, Meeting Big Pat. Graduate ako ng 4th year high school. Nag-exam ako sa UP. Pero bago ako nag-exam sa UP, I actually took the exam sa PUP Architecture. Kasi yun ang gusto ng daddy ko. I passed the exam. Ano daddy? Anong gusto mo? Architecture or fine arts? Sabi niya, gusto niya architecture talaga. Pero sabi ko, daddy, UP yun. Kahit fine arts lang ako sa UP, UP yun. Sabi niya. So, ako yung nasunod. Yeah, later that year of my first year college, that's when I met Big Pat.
College of Fine Arts. Higher batch ako sa kanya. So, yeah. Fiscom siya. Yeah, ako studio arts ako.
Ang painting, or sinasabing studio arts, ay nasa kabilang building lang. Magkadikit lang naman yung building namin eh.
Mada siya palagi doon. Then, I have some friends sa Viscom din. And then, yun, na-introduce siya. Nakita ko, ang payat-payat niyon. parang tinik eh. Palito, payat eh. Tapos naka-elephant pads. Tapos naka, ano pa, pang, what do you call that? May T-square pa na dala. So yeah, it's parang very engineering type architectural yung forma niya, nakapolo.
Mas maraming tropa sa studio arts. So doon ako natatambay. Yeah, they playing guitars, they're singing. You know, we drink. And then I think nung nag-inom mga may, doon ako na-introduce sa kanya. You know, dancing wasn't really our thing at that time. I think more of tropahan. Alam mo yan si Big Pat, siya ang aking siya ang aking sumbungan kapag may nambubuli sa akin doon. Ako kabuli-buli kasi ako eh. Ayun yung payat, maliit.
Parang tinik eh. Palito, payat eh.
Big Pat was my backbone. One time, there's this guy saying shit about me. You know, why would you even say that? I went to Big Pat's building and I told him, and he was like, "Halika, tara, turo mo ah." Ganon, galit na galit si gago. Sabi ko, uy, wag mo sasapakin ah. Hindi, basta turo mo. May ledge doon, tapos nakaupo silang 4. Pero isa lang yung nagsalita kasi doon. And Big Pat went walking in front of them. You know, walked by and went back, looking at them. Imagine that. Maya, sino dito? Ituro mo. Sino sa 4 na to? Oh, takin na ako sa what the fuck, Big Pat? Don't do that. But Big Pat's that. Alright, he's a kuya. Alright. Ang ina nyo ha, huwag kayong magkakamaling gaguhin ulit itong tropa ko. Ang ina nyo, tandaan nyo itong mukhang to ha. Tang ina nyo. Ganon talaga. Holy shit. Actually, pag agrabyado ka talaga. He will do that. You know? So, yung mga 4 na yun, takot ang puta. That's the most memorable experience I have with Big Pat in comes to bullying or in comes to trip. You know? Those motherfuckers never said anything to me anymore. You know, I look at them when I pass by. They don't look at me. They got scared. Oh, anyway. I was introduced to breakdancing. Oh, beforehand, my ex, my baby mama. All right, yes, I have a kid. His name is Kaya. He's in the States. All right, he's been living in the States. He's now 16 years old. The baby mama's brother, I was close to him at that time. He's been watching breakdancing. Because yeah, after school, I hang out with him. So we talk about breakdancing. And he shows me things. He shows me stuff. When it's our break time, I do handstands. Binibilang ko yun. Nire-record ko yun kung ilang minuto ko kaya. Una, 2 seconds. Oh, and bilib na ang sarili ko sa 2 seconds na yun. Tapos, brinay ko ulit yan. Sabi ko, mas matagal pa. So, nagawa ko 5 seconds. Weeks passed. I was able to do 20 seconds. So, sabi ko, kaya ko. And, Big Pat, you know, he sees me. And he sees what I'm doing. You know, I was proud because I could do the handstand. 1 second, 2 second, 5 seconds. I show him. I show him that.
One day yun, nag-beat kami, then sabi niya gusto yung mag-break dance. And then yun, nag-start na, then we practice halos every day sa school, at the lobby. Tatlong mga tao, nagtitingin na sa amin na parang anong ginagawa namin. So, wala pakialaman sa school, lalo sa fine arts.
Yeah, we practice too sa mga fields kasi malambot eh. Sa Sunken Garden, sa Corinthians. So, saan kami makakita ng madamp na mga damo. At si Big Pat ang aking taga-check ng galaw, ng moves. Kung maganda na ba, kung pwede na ba. I've improved because of him. He was doing it because there was only 2 of us who was really interested in breakdancing at that time sa school. Oh yeah, tiwala siya sa akin because I could do those things. Yan si Big Pat, putang ina. Nagsi-6 steps yan. Nagsi-freeze yan. And there's also one time, after my class, I'm drawing, pero nasa utak ko, breakdancing. So sabi ko, after na itong klase na to, punta ko si Big Pat. So after my class, I went to Big Pat. Nagpi-painting siya. Tawag ko siya. Uy! Bro! Pangalan niya noon sa amin, Joko. Hindi ko alam kung gusto pa niya tawagin namin siyang Joko ngayon, pero this is past. So, this is part of my story. So, yeah, Joko. Pero I think I never called him Joko. I called him more of Big Pat or... Pat pa lang. Patrick pa lang pala. I call him Patrick. Yeah. Oh, ano problema mo? Ano yan? Sama mga pa-practice ako. Breakdance tayo. May klase pa ako eh. Hindi na, tapusin mo na yan. Mamaya na yan, pwede ka naman gumawa mamaya eh. Alam mo yun, it's like ang kulit ko. Kasi I wanna learn. And I want him to be there. Siya yung taga-beatbox ko.
Gumagaling siya. Hanggang sa gumagaling siya, ako naman, focus ako sa school. Ako lang taga-beatbox niya. So, beatbox na ako para makapag-break siya. So, yun.
Siya ang aking taga-beatbox. Muning, mamaya lang yung exposure. Oreo, labas muna. Labas muna, Oreo. Doon ka muna. Mamaya yung exposure, hindi ka kasama dito. Good boy. Ryu, ayos na. Pagaling na. Willing naman siya. Willing talaga siya. I was gonna do my thing. It would beatbox. I don't know. And he checks. He checks my moves. That was at that time. Alam mo yung feeling mo, ang galing-galing mo. Kahit alam mong si Tira lang is 6 steps. Tapos L kick. Alright, and handstand. Akala mo ang lupit-lupit mo na kasi a little shit about breakdance. That was me and Big Pat. College days.
in the beninging. Yeah, Ini the beninging. Yeah. Ini the beninging. Ini the beninging.